From the Origin Reports website, click Login, enter your login information, and click Sign In. We need to upload the data sets. Click Add Datasets, select your manuscript handling system, and then upload your data sets. The system gives you the option of choosing between two different date formats. The top is the one usually used in the United States. The bottom one is typically used in Europe. Click Save. You can now access your data sets up here at any time and change them as needed. Let's pick the section of the app we're going to go into. Different types of charts are located in different sections of the app, so we'll create a submissions chart. This is the data selection menu. It allows you to change various aspects of what you see in the chart. You can set your variables at the top. The variables determine what you see on your chart. Variable 1 is what appears on your y-axis. Variable 2 appears on your x-axis. If you have a third variable, it will appear in the legend, and this gives you segments on your chart. These are the filters. This allows you to narrow down what data is shown in the chart. You can either choose to exclude or include different pieces of data, and the change is seen immediately on the chart. You can also adjust your date range in the menu. So you can select a custom date range. If doing that, always change your year first, because Origin Reports doesn't allow you to select a date outside your date range. The date range is shown in the entire range box just above. You can also choose to display the chart as a single year, and the years can be selected from the drop-down box. It can also be shown as quarters or months. We can also update the format of the chart from the Format Chart menu. This allows you to make adjustments on the title, including alignment and changes of text. We can also make adjustments to the axis titles. This is the location where we would add labels. You can add labels on the top, the total bar, or you can add them to the side for the segments. You will notice that smaller segments do not get a label since there is not enough room to add the label. We can also choose to add percentages to the segments. In the Format Chart menu, we can also change how your data is sorted. You can change the x-axis sort. Here we're not going to change it since it's years, and time oldest to newest is most appropriate for us, but we can change the legend and segment sorts as well. Right now it's sorted by legend, alphabetical, but let's change it to descending segments, which gives kind of a nicer looking graph. We are also able to change the colors. You can do that either by clicking on the segment on the chart, or you can do it from the Format Chart menu. If we like our chart, we can save it to My Charts. You can choose to give it a title if you wish. Today we're going to call it Demo so we can make sure we can find it. You can also add a chart to a custom report by clicking the Add to Report. You can select any custom report that you've already created by clicking the box for that report and clicking Save Changes. You can also create a new custom report. So we click the button, give it a name, and save it. Notice that we still need to add Save Changes by selecting the box next to that report name. We can now go to My Charts and see the chart that we just created. In the left menu, you will see a list of all of the sections of Origin Reports. If you click on any section, you will see the charts that you have saved from that section. If you ever want to recreate a chart that you have saved into My Charts, you simply upload the newer data set and click Generate Chart. All of the information about that particular chart is saved just below. These are the parameters that will be used to recreate your chart. We can also take a look at My Reports. My Reports shows standard reports created by editorial office professionals. These can be used at any time, especially if you're in a hurry. You drop in your data set and then you click Generate Report. The report can be generated as a PDF, a PowerPoint, or a collection of zip images. You can also choose to enter in your journal acronym, and that will be added to the title of each of the charts. Our standard reports contain a large selection of charts that might be useful for various applications. If you do not want a particular chart, you can deselect it and it will not be included in the generated report. Below are our custom reports. There's our demo report that we just created. Let's take a look at the custom report below. It has more charts. You can see that you can drag and drop your charts to reorganize them. Reordering the charts can help you obtain your desired results. That's a quick overview of Origin Reports. We are available to help at any time. You can click the chat icon to contact us. Simply select Send Us a Message and type a message in, and we check our messages and we will get back in touch with you. We also have an extensive help library that is available from the Start screen. The help articles have been grouped into collections. Simply select a collection and you'll be able to view all the help articles from that collection. Again, at any time that you need help, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.